So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add visitor counter to your Wix website. So go for elsite.com, go for widgets, and in the fact section go for visitor counter. Now click on create widget. You can choose whichever template you like, and after that click on continue with this template. You can also customize it however you like, and after finishing it click on add to website. Now you just have to sign up for your Elsite account, and now you just have to only click this save button. Now choose this subscription and click to copy this code. Now come to your editor.wix.com and click on add elements. After that go for embed code and now click on embed HTML and paste the code you just copied, and after that click on update button. And here we are, you can see the visitor counter on my Wix website. So if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.